re-insulation, sealed water pipe line. Re-insulation or replacement the sealed water pipe line for the AC. Now we are applying adhesive piston kit. These are the old one damaged insulation. These are the materials we are using. First, tube insulation. Thickness is 1 inches inside, 1 inches outside. Second is flat insulation, 1/2 inch, and then insulation tape, aluminum tape, canvas tape, and also for adhesive. We apply first layer tube insulation. Then wrap by PVC insulation or plastic insulation, plastic tape insulation. This GI pipe or tail pipe should seal properly because water passing by inside of this is very cold to produce cold in the unit of air conditioning, because it will be produce water, moisture, or condensation, so they need sealed properly. So it will be almost done the first layer. Done the first layer, we proceed the second layer. This is na bunot. That is the second and last layer. Very difficult to insert inside because of this there is a small space. That is the final and last layer to make sealed the chiller pipeline. To avoid condensation, we are wrapping canvas aluminum tape to make it tight, totally tight. We are almost done, 85%.